Get a clear view of your entire GI book in order to nurture your business with Advisor Hub. Advisor Hub gives you an overview of all your clients, past and present. Your dashboard offers a monthly snapshot of how your GI business is performing, including quick access to the commission calculator, which can also calculate any referral business you pass to us. Instantly see all your pending and live policies at a glance. The My Policies wheel allows you to click on each segment, giving you a deeper breakdown of your policies. To view all live policies, select the option from the drop-down on the toolbar. You'll see key details like client names and policy numbers. Plus, there's extra info if you need it, giving you complete control. The Pending Policies section will help you review the cases where you need a bit more information to complete the policy. To check which clients are due for renewal, head to the Renewals area. Here, you'll see what they're currently paying, what their new premium will be, and which underwriter it's with. This gives you a great opportunity to reach out to your clients and review their cover, along with their wider finances. Cancellations show you the reason why your client has cancelled their policy. Use this insight to decide who to reconnect with and help ensure they're still protected. Hopefully, by staying on top of renewals, your cancellation list will shrink. Every policy screen includes easy-to-use filters, so you can quickly find the information you need. You'll also find a separate dashboard to track any referrals you pass to our dedicated team. It's all designed to give you greater insight into your GI business. Log into Advisor Hub today to explore your dashboard and manage your GI book.